This is something that's spreading very fast throughout the community, indeed throughout the state and throughout the country as well. And I'm no exception.
Milwaukee's acting mayor testing positive for coronavirus. His message to the city as people return to school and work among soaring infection numbers. We are tracking two big COVID-19 related stories. Acting Mayor Cavalier Johnson tonight isolating at home after testing positive for COVID-19. Perhaps the bigger story here, Milwaukee Public Schools will transition to virtual learning once classes resume on Tuesday. Our Sam Kramer is live downtown tonight. Sam, do we know how long MPS will be going virtual this time?
Yeah, hi there, Ted. The plan right now is to at least stay virtual through next week, Monday, January 10th, but they're going to reevaluate from there. We've heard experts' concerns about another post-holiday surge, especially driven by the Omicron variant. And tonight, the mayor actually using his diagnosis to encourage others to stay vigilant.
My symptoms are very, very mild. I feel great.
After spending much of the last week touring different parts of the city, including a COVID-19 testing site.
This is something that's spreading very fast throughout the community, indeed throughout the state and throughout the country as well. And I'm no exception.
Acting Milwaukee Mayor Cavalier Johnson is tested positive for COVID-19. In a virtual press conference Sunday, Johnson said he first felt a symptom Friday after collecting signatures. Johnson is vaccinated and boosted, and he's hopeful that defense will push others to get their shots.
Vaccination is the best tool that we have against COVID. And so we really want to continue pushing folks in this community to make sure that they get vaccinated so that their cases are not severe.
He also encouraged people to get tested if they're feeling symptoms. The Milwaukee Public School District held a 4-hour testing clinic for staff at its Central Service building Sunday afternoon before classes resumed Tuesday.
I just want to get tested to make sure my students were safe come Tuesday when we start school again, so I wouldn't spread anything to them.
Then later Sunday night, the district announced Tuesday's return would happen virtually. In a press release, the district said, quote, due to an influx of reported positive COVID-19 cases among district staff, this emergency safety measure is being implemented. Their goal is to return to classes next week, Monday, January 10th, and will reassess the situation as more data becomes available. So today's testing was for staff only. MPS will again offer testing for students and staff starting tomorrow at 6 different locations. Meanwhile, Johnson says he does feel great. Despite that diagnosis, he'll continue to do his work from home for the time being. We're live tonight in downtown Milwaukee. Sam Kramer, Fox 6 News.
We wish him well. Sam, thank you. Hyatt Pharmacy near 84th and Layton, it has been packed with people looking to get tested for the coronavirus. After being open for nearly 48 straight hours, Hyatt began offering 24/7 COVID tests on New Year's Day, with the owner saying there was an incredible community demand and it was one way they could help.
Challenging because of the extra stress, the 17-hour shift that I had to do yesterday. Rewarding because we feel like we're actually making an impact.
Hyatt is doing close to 2,000 tests a day. The CEO says he's encouraging people who are proactive in getting tested before going back to work or school.